Hello guys, welcome to new video. In today's video, we are going to see who is going to win the race, power function or exponential function. Okay, so what I have done on the left side here, I wrote a power function, and on the right side, I've wrote exponential function, and then I will sketch the graphs of both these functions, and then I will analyze few things here. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so my power function is fx equals x squared. Okay, so here I have a graph for here. This is my xy plane. It represents x and it represents y, or you can call fx. It's same. Okay, so fx or y. Okay, so now we'll start with power function. Okay, so if I put x0, then this power function y is going to be 0. Okay, and then if I put x1, then this power function y is going to be 1, right? Because y equals x squared. If I put x2, then y is going to be 4, 2 squared, right? If I put x3, it's going to be 9. If I put x4, it's going to be 16. Now, let's take some negative values. If I put x minus 1, okay, if I put x minus 1, then it's going to be 1 minus 2, it's going to be 4. If I put minus 3, it's going to be 9. And if I put x minus 4, it's going to be 16. Okay, I hope you agree with it. Okay, so what I can do here is I can plot these points. So for 0, this is okay, 0. Then for 1, 1. Okay, for 2, 4. So this is going to be the point. Okay, for 3, 9. For 3, 9. This one. Okay, so same goes for 4, 16. So it's not possible to show that point or show that coordinate here because my scale is smaller, right? But it's fine, you can take up to 3. Then for minus 1, it's 1. Then for minus 2, 4. Then for minus 3, 9. For minus 3, 9. Okay, so minus 3, 9. Okay, 3, 9. Okay, so if I trace all these points, what would happen? It's going to be like this. Okay, if I trace all these points, it's going to be like this. It's upward parabola. Okay, upward parabola y equals x squared. All right, now let's see the other one. If you put x0, then now we are going to check the values of exponential functions. If x is 0, then y 2 raised to the exponent 0, it's going to be 1, right? And then when you have x1, then it's going to be 2. When you have x2, it's going to be 4. When you have x3, it's going to be 8. When you have x4, then it's going to be 16. And when you have x minus 1, then it's going to be minus 1 to 1 by 2. 1 by 2, it's 0.5. Okay, 1 by 2. And then when you have, or here I can say 0.5, 0.5. If you have x minus 2, then it's going to be 1 by 4. 1 by 4, which is going to be 0.25. Okay, and then here it's going to be 1 by 8, and here it's going to be 1 by 16. I hope you agree with it. Okay, now if you see here, if I do it for x5, okay, if I do here, I do it for x5, so here would be 5 times 5, 25, and here 2 raised to the power 5, it's going to be 32. 32, right? So now you can see here this has higher value. Okay, it has higher value. Okay, here again the higher value. Okay, here equals here, this power function got higher value, but here it got equal. But from this point, it will completely overtake this power function, and after this point, after the point where they meet here, this exponential function is going to be unstoppable. Okay, so what does it mean? So it's going to be like it will go through here. All right, 0 1, this point, then 1 2, 1 2, this point, then 2 4, 2 4, 2 4, this point, then 3 3 8, 3 8, 3 8, 3 8, this point. Okay, and then 4 16, 4 16. Okay, so what I'm trying to, so it will look something like this. Okay, it will look something like this. Okay, it will look something like this. Okay, now if you look at it, you can see here that once see here at this point it has overtaken the power function, and then from here until up to this point, x equals 4, this point x equals 2, this exponential graph functions, it stays above your power function sketch, right? And then what has happened again, for next point x equals 3, the value of this exponential function, it stays below. Okay, and then here you will get the point x equals 4, x equals 4, where again the value is going to same, but after that what would happen? After that, I can just create a scenario here. For example, this. After this, what would happen? This graph is going to overtake it completely. Okay, overtake it completely. So after this point, x equals 4, this graph, exponential function graph, is going to overtake power function. Okay, so it means that exponential function is really powerful compared to the power function. Okay, now you can check for values x equals 6. This is going to be 36, and it's going to be, see here, for x equals 6, this power function, the value of y will be 6 raised to power 2, 36, y 36. And for the same, the value of exponential function is going to be 64. Okay, so as you will increase x, you will see exponential growth in the sketch of this exponential function. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that exponential function wins the race. Okay, so exponential function is going to win this race. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.